Good evening, everyone. So, I am Franklin Marnapo Libiato. So, I am here to present to you my topic. So, my topic it is all about the components of marketing plan. But first, we need to identify what is marketing plan before we dive into the components of marketing plan. So, when we say marketing plan, it is a written document that outlines how a business will promote, sell to the customer. So, it is a guide. It serves as a guide or a roadmap kung hain na padulong anato ang business goal. That is a marketing plan. So now let's proceed to the components of marketing plan. So when we see components, there are four components of marketing plan. Excuse me. So first, the pricing strategy. So when we see pricing strategy, a pricing strategy is the method of a business uses to set the price of its product or services. It ensures the price is fair for customers while is still making a profit. So pricing strategy. Diyan mga strategic plan nimo unsaon nimo pag presyo an imong mga products, di ba? So now let's proceed to the promotion and advertising. So when we say promotion, it is a process of informing, persuading, and reminding customers about a product or a services. While advertising is a part of promotion that is uses paid messages to reach a large audience. So now let's proceed to the distribution. So when we see distribution, wait. When we see distribution channels, distribution channels are the path or routes through which a product moves from the producer to the final customer. It explains how and where your product is sold and delivered. So distribution channel imo ma-locate kung hain na dapit ang imuhang product. Like for example, diyan sa mga Shopee gani, 'di ba? Distribution channel. So ikaw nagalocate ka kung hain na padulong ang imong product, kung moabot ay na ba, kung ya pa, kung ladyo pa, or jao na kay dakan ikaw mismo mahibayon na customer makaandam ka sa imuhang bayad. And lastly, for the components of marketing plan is the operations plan. An operation plan is a section of a business or marketing plan that explain how a product or service is produced and delivered to customers on a daily basis. It also focuses on the step-by-step process of running the business efficiently. So that is the operations plan. I think that would be all for my topic. Thank you.